Hi, my name is Ersin Eroglu and this is my video CV. I hope that at the end of this video you will have more information about my qualification. I was born and raised in Turkey. I graduated from the Mechanical Engineering Faculty in Turkey, Unique University. I have outstanding individual experience in construction management, large-scale project in the oil, gas and mining industry. Effective communicator with the excellent interpersonnel skills. Let me give you the list of my qualification. Site management, design and calculation, method of statement, construction planning, HSE requirement and implementation, heavy and critical lifting study, preservation of mechanical equipment, leadership and supporting. I believe in opportunity doesn't waste the time with those who are unprepared. I would like to share my professional project history. First of all, the Glencore casting mining project in Kazakhstan. 5 million tons of ore per annum. We completed two different stages, the grinding and the flotation area. You will see two ball mill. The vendor is the Tessan Group. The flotation area, the Autotech Progress. There are many different kinds of mechanical equipment, such as slurry pump, the distributor, the hydrocyclone, the other kind of mechanical equipment. The second project is the new Petrochemical project for the Technomont in Amur, Russia. This project is very huge, the Petrochemical project. You will see a lot of the structure picture and the mechanical equipment, static or dynamic or the piping. Let's check the different equipment. You can see my picture in the knockout drum. One of them is weight 136 tons. It was exciting to lift up and install it. You can see other picture, diesel tank, 12 piece. We will install it. Let's check another picture. You will see on the right, I have prepared the lifting study. I am very experienced about the 3D designing. You will see two crawler crane. We will tandem related full diesel tanks and install it. It was exciting for me. I also want to show you my professional 3D own implementation. You will see four pictures, one of the full diesel tank and the other project, Oman project, polyethylene, cooling tower, other one the pump house. According to my opinion, how we can pick up the success? The first of all, we should imagine the installation progress. What kind of crane we will use that? What kind of equipment we will use that? All of the related information we can realize and then we can get the action. Before the installation, I should complete it 3D. It is not difficult for me. In a 1 hour, I can prepare one full diesel tanks like that. And then we will imagine how we can drive this installation progress, because the most important thing is before preparing all of the work, the HSE requirement we will implement exactly. We can check other project, the polyethylene and propylene plant for the ORPIC, Oman Oil Refinery and Petroleum Industry Company in Sultanate of Oman. You will see the extrusion building. As far as I know that the first design, the extrusion building, you can see the civil works up to steel structure, 4,000 steel structure we installed. You can see the heavy column steel structure. We will lift that one time before we pre-assembly and lift it that. It is the 40 tons, the steel structure. The other one, you can see different kind of equipment. For example, the porch beam and the other mechanical equipment. I also want to tell you again, you will see the picture, my drawing, my own design drawing. I can draw that 3D. I can imagine how we can progress civil work, steel structure, mechanical and electrical. At the end of this related progress, we will get that the commissioning. The other project, Erohim, Usovsky Potash Complex. This is the mining project. This is 40,000 steel structure we have completed, and then all of the grinding area, the flotation area, filtration area we completed, and then hand over. Let's check the equipment. You will see filter press and the flotation tanks. Also the hydrocyclone, 12 hydrocyclone, you will see that, and the vacuum belt filter and some of transportation conveyor. I also share my picture with my colleague. Let's check my major another project, the Fosogra ammonia production facility in Russia. You will see this structure. It is important, the main pipe rack, because when you manufacture the structure and then you will deliver on the site, you can start to install, and then at the end of the structure installation, you can start the piping works. That's why it is very important. And also the mechanical equipment. You should arrange the shipment and delivery and transportation. I'm saying many times, when I close my eyes, I can imagine the flow sheet, the mining and oil gas. Let's check the mechanical equipment, static or dynamic. You will see the waste heat boiler and the ammonia converter. You will see the picture. Some of the pipe rack, some of the building, different building, the compressor area, waste heat boiler area, auxiliary boiler area, water treatment area. The reformer is most important in the ammonia plant. Step by step, what should we do? I know very well, because I have done it many times. The other project, the Kazakhmys Aktogay Boshakol Copper Mine project. The design is Ausenco in Australia. The vendor is FH Schmidt. You will see my picture like the ball mill and sag mill disher. The weather is very cold in the Kazakhstan. You will see that some of snow is here. Other project is the Eldorado gold mine project in my country, in Turkey. You will see some of the grinding area, the screening, flotation and rehandling and leach pad, and some of conveyor, overland conveyor. The primary crusher and secondary crusher, also pebble crusher, the cone crusher. The same progress. I want to show my last major project, Cementer Chimco cement plant. You will see the grinding area, the rotary kiln and the preheater. You will see that. This is my starting time, the engineering in my career. You will see my picture on the corner is here under the FH Schmidt mill. That was exciting project. I also want to show you my certificate and the FH Schmidt certificate, HSE certificate, my engineering diploma. At the end of my presentation, I just want to show you the plan, the most important, the significant. For example, the project will start, what will we should do that? Design concept, the specification, and the basic engineering, the detail engineering, procurement, site erection, installation, site erection, advisor, cold commissioning and performance tests. Step by step. Excavation, civil work, steel structure, the sandwich panel work and mechanical equipment, the piping, electrical work and the commissioning. Step by step we should keep track of. For example, the mechanical equipment. I want to show the gold mine project. Equipment, the crusher, how many crusher we should install that, from where we should purchase that. The feeders, the screens, ball mills or sometimes the sag mills, the gravity separator and cyclone, hydrocyclone, leaching tank, thickener tanks, belt conveyor, sandwich conveyor, electrowinning area, regeneration, some of Goldrun, process tank, some pump tank, etc. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation and listening my presentation. Best regards.